LinkedIn is a great social media platform where you can find many like minded professionals to interact, which can also be an effective marketing tool for products and services. These are some tips which you can use in your LinkedIn marketing. Find potential customers. Target people who can be your potential customers who would be interested to buy your product or services. Suppose if you are offering writing services, then your content or advertisement should be targeted to article writers, writing firms, medias, and publications, etc. A well defined advertisement. Create your advertisement in a reader friendly manner which should be relatable to the visitor, thus increasing the chances of getting potential customers. Use high quality images, informative and understandable captions. People often ignore caption, but it also plays an important role in making an advertisement presentable and appealing for visitors. Post regularly. This is one of the most basic rule which is applied to all platform of social media and any work department. It is important to keep your audience updated with regular posting. This will allow your customers to be regularly informed about your product and services, which can also manage to convert them into beneficial customers. Use paid tools. Like other social media platform, it also has paid tool and services for advertisement to get your expected responses from visitors. You can select your target audience by using demographics such as age, gender, profession, work experience, etc. It is similar to how websites such as Google and Facebook have advertisement services.